Hi everyone and welcome once again to my channel. So here's another online transaction that I will teach you. So before I've been teaching you online transactions through banks, and right now same thing, but this time it's gonna be with Metrobank to Cimb bank account. I will be teaching you how to cash in using your Metrobank account to your Cimb bank account. Okay, so please stay tuned. Now, if you're just new to my channel, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you have any comments or any suggestions or any questions at all, don't forget to comment that below. Okay, so fasten your seatbelts and let's go ahead and get started. So as I've said earlier, we will be cashing in money from your Metrobank account to your Cimb bank account. So the first thing that we need to have, you need to pull up your Cimb bank application. So you need to have your mobile app with Cimb, and you just need to log in. So with my in my case, I do have my fingerprint already signed in, so I'll just need to do that. And then under cash in, you'll just need to choose online cash in. Okay, after choosing that, you will be routed to this page. And once you're routed to this page, you will be receiving an email for a confirmation. You need to follow the instructions given. Step 1, you need to log in to your Metrobank Direct. So it's better to use your Google Chrome with this. So you'll just need to enter in the website, the web address for Metrobank Direct, or you can just simply click on this link. So once you have clicked on that link, you will then be routed to the Metrobank website. So from there, you'll just need to log in your username and your password. Now, if this is your first time, then the first thing that you have to do is just sign up and enter in needed complete information from you. Alright, so once we are able to log in successfully, this is what you will see. You see right below, we have 3 icons there. We have send, we have move, and pay. So all you have to choose is pay. Once you click on that, you will be routed to this page where it says pay bills. Now, the amount that we will be paying is 1,500. This is the amount that we will be transferring, or we will be cashing in to our Cimb bank account. Okay, so next is for DragonPay Corporation. This is because this is powered by DragonPay. So that's what you will see. And then the account number. Right after DragonPay Corporation, we have their subscriber/account number. Now remember, that's what we have generated using our Cimb bank account. So that's the subscriber reference number. You'll just need to copy paste that. So you can just simply go to your email and get that if you forgot about it. Now, next to that, we have here using. So this is your account with Metrobank. So in my case, I have personalized it under my name, Cimb. So that's what I'm using. By the way, disclaimer lang guys, this is just a sample. Okay, so if any one of you is thinking that this is the correct account information that I have, then you're wrong. So this is definitely just a sample for you. Okay, now next, okay, notes is optional, so you can just simply click on next. Now, once you have clicked on next, you will need to review and confirm information. So it says here that we are going to pay 1,500 for DragonPay Corporation. You have there your account number and using your account number with Metrobank. So if everything is good, everything is okay, then you'll just need to click on continue. This page, you see there Metrobank passcode. So remember guys, when you set up your Metrobank account online, you remember setting up your passcode, right? So this is an additional security for your Metrobank account. So you are the only person who knows this, so definitely you shouldn't be sharing this to anyone else. So you'll just need to enter that in, and then once you have entered that in, it will show this payment in progress. Okay, so maybe we'll just give that away for a couple of seconds, and then there you go. So as you see below, payment in progress, and then you will receive a payment confirmation to your email. It definitely should look like this. So it should say, congratulations, this is to confirm that your payment has been completed. So another email will be sent from Cimb Bank notifying you about the transaction information. That will also serve as your transaction receipt. So that's all for me today. Thank you so much all for watching. So again, please like and subscribe. Until my next video, take care.